Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to record voice notes with the MOBVOI TicNote AI voice recorder. So there are two ways that we can do this. So the first one is with the recorder itself, and the other one is with the app. So I'm going to show you the one with the recorder first, because that's the one that you'll probably use the most. So just turn the recorder on and select the mode that you want. So there are two modes, the speaker mode and the listening mode. The speaker mode means that it uses the microphone, so you can just it uses the microphone on board of the card, of this little voice recording card. So you can take it out and use it as like a microphone. But there's also another mode. So the listening mode means that you can attach it to the back of your phone with MagSafe, like this, and it will record the vibrations of your phone. For example, when you're having a call with someone, and it will record that call through the vibrations. So just select the mode that you need, and after that, just select the mode with the slider, and after that, hold this button, the on button, for 2 seconds, and it's going to start recording our voice note. So as you can see, it also shows me on the app that I'm currently recording. And if you want to stop, you just hold the power button again for 2 seconds. So there we go, the recording has finished, and I have this recording saved right here in the app. And the second way you can do this is through the app, by just pressing the recording button on the top. And just wait for it to load. This is like the slower option, but it's also there if you need it. And now, as you can see, it's recording with the status bar right here, and with the pause and stop on the top. So I can just pause the recording, and I can stop it too. So there we go, I have two recordings. You can go into them, check them, use the AI tools to generate summaries. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.